If apps on your Android phone keep crashing, or you keep seeing the message, app keeps stopping, this quick guide will fix it fast. But before we begin, subscribe to the channel if you like to see quick Android fixes like this. Now, begin by opening the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Next tap See All Apps. Tap the app that keeps crashing. Tap Force Stop and confirm by tapping OK on the pop-up. This action closes the app completely. Go back and tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage. This will reset the app safely. Now go back and tap Permissions. Make sure the app has the basic permissions it needs to run. If anything important is blocked, the app can crash. Go back again and tap Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. Turn on Background Data. Apps crash if they don't get the data they need. Now return to the main settings screen. Tap Network and Internet. Turn on airplane mode. Wait 5 seconds. Turn it off again. This refreshes your connection. Go back to Settings. Scroll down to System. Tap Developer Options. Scroll all the way down to the Apps section. Make sure Don't Keep Activities is turned off. If this is on, your phone will force close every app. Restart your phone. Open the app again. It should no longer crash. If the problem continues, update the app in the Play Store or uninstall and reinstall it. Like, share, and subscribe for more quick Android fixes.